Drone training. Our team from Mark for Future School had an exciting and informative morning at the DJI Technology Shop. We purchased 2 new Neo drones, enhancing our school's tech capabilities. The team also received hands-on drone training, learning how to operate and maximize these cutting-edge devices. It was a productive and successful experience, and we're looking forward to bringing this technology into the classroom.